Hi students, coming to the next topic, that is the classification of interconnected processor by scales. So whatever the interprocessor we have taken, what is their interprocess distance and the processor located in the same, so just see the classification here. Let's take the interprocessor distance and processor located in same room or anything. So let us take this interprocessor distance and processor located in same. Suppose the interprocessor distance is 1 meter. It is there 1 meter. It means the processor located in the same square meter. If the interprocessor distance is 100 meters, if the system is there in 100 meters, the processor located in the same room, okay, and that processor has to be located in same room, and the interprocessor distance is suppose 1 kilometer, it is present at 1 kilometer, the processor has to be located within building, and the interprocessor distance, whatever the processing that network is in 10 kilometers distance, then the processor located in same campus, if it is in 10 kilometers means, meters, 10 meters, building is 100 meters, and campus should be 1 kilometer. So 1 meter means square meters, 10 meters means room, 100 meters means building, 1 kilometer means campus. And coming to, if the interprocessor distance is 10 kilometers, it should be in city. 100 kilometers, country. If the interprocessor distance is in 1000 kilometers, then the processor located in same, it should be in continent. 10,000 kilometers, planet. Okay, so this is a classification of interconnected processor by scales. So 1 meter square, 10 meters room, 100 meters building, 1 kilometer campus, 10 kilometers city, 100 kilometers country, 1000 kilometers continent, and 10,000 kilometers planet. So square, if it is the interprocessor distance is 1 meter means the square meters, you can go for the personal laptops. The personal area network, you call it the personal area network, we use that is for personal laptops. 10 meters means room, 100 meters building, and 1 kilometers campus. So for this you can go for local area network, a communication that we use, that it is a local area network. And if it is in city, we use the MAN, that is metropolitan area network. If it is in country or continent, we can go for the computer networks as wide area network. And suppose if it is in planet, we have to choose the internet. The internet means the above 10,000 kilometers, you can go for the internet. So this is a classification of interconnected processors. Thank you.